if you ever want to come paint with me in Greece, now is your chance. In September 14th to 22nd, 2025, I'm going back to this wonderful property in Zakynthos, Greece for a second time, and it is absolutely stunning. You see this grounds here, gorgeous views and vistas all around, a wonderful crystal clear aqua blue ocean, so warm and inviting. I actually loved swimming in this ocean. It was so clean and clear, I just couldn't believe it. You can see all the way down to the bottom, no problem. Look at all the views you get. It's just absolutely breathtaking and so relaxing to be here. Just wonderful place. This is where we kind of eat sometimes at dinner, if it's not raining or anything, but usually it doesn't rain in Greece. At night, over here is the pool. You can relax during breaks, lunch breaks, after painting breaks, even in the morning if you want to go paint there. It's just, look at the view. You can't beat this view. It's just very calm, relaxing. It's not loud. It's so serene. There's all these little vistas in the property. I just love this little olive tree with this chest set. And this is the studio we paint in all week. This is like their yoga studio. And look at the view you have as you're painting. It's absolutely drop dead gorgeous. You know, get some nice breezes in here. That's wonderful. Not everyone is sitting down right now, taking a break. Fantastic meals. Here we're having our lunch break here, and we're sitting on this veranda that overlooks the pool and the ocean again. Absolutely delicious. Back painting. Here I'm doing some demonstrations. I'm doing some olive trees and some stones that you see all around the property. All that beautiful stonework that's everywhere. It's just wonderful. I just love painting in the studio. It's fantastic. Can't beat that view every single day. And everyone did phenomenal. We had such a great time. And you can have a great time as well. This is once in a lifetime trip that you cannot miss. You make lots of new friends, you know, learning all these kind of techniques here. I'm teaching you how to do wet on wet, doing some water, teaching you how to do rocks and stone. We take some excursions. This is a Zante town. You know, we actually did some plein air sketching there in Zante town. A little shopping, doesn't hurt anybody. Super fun. Cute little buildings. This is a little road trip we took. We saw some donkeys at a monastery and went to see the overlook at the shipwreck beach. Normally we would have been on the shipwreck beach, not on, excuse me, like in a boat by the shipwreck beach, but because it was rough weather, we had to plan B, and plan B was just great. And there's always a plan B for an excursion. Fantastic food, phenomenal. Look at the shrimp, it's so good. And these beautiful pastries for breakfast, I just love them. Very nice and traditional. We had such a phenomenal time. I'm telling you, you're gonna love coming to this retreat venue. And if you don't pick your spot in 2025, I don't know when I'm going back there. So this is your chance. Like I said, the water is amazing. Some of the paintings, this is a painting that I did, and some of the paintings that we did on the property, and having fun, just swimming, hanging out. Grand old time. It's a once in a lifetime trip. I'm sure you'll have a great time. If you have any questions, please reach out to UpTrek. I also recommend that if you have mobility issues, this is not a retreat for you. There's a lot of walking and stairs involved, so it's not great. If you have those mobility issues, please do not come. But if you do not have mobility issues, then this is a retreat for you. If you want to make some new friends, learn some new techniques, have some fun. Look at these beautiful paintings that they did. Fantastic. We had such a great time. Everyone did so well. So click the link below to sign up. And like I said, if you have any questions, please contact UpTrek. They will be more than happy to answer them all. And I hope to see you in Greece in 2025.